Hey guys, so I just got these RFID and NFC chip blocking cards. It's awesome. It's a 6-pack that I got here. So 6 of these cards, you can line these all over the place to make sure that you're going to be kept safe. That your information on your credit cards, debit cards, on any of those RFID, NFC enabled chip devices are going to be kept safe. So this is what it looks like. It's just normal size of any other card that you've got. Looks really cool, very nifty. And the idea is that you want to protect your cards, right, from anybody who's going to have a means of trying to steal that. So you just put one in front and you put one in back. And then I think it said it covers like a 1-inch square, like a 1-inch space of protection. So now I've got it all sandwiched in there. I've got one in the front and I've got another one in the back. And all my cards there in the between that are going to be protected. So nobody's going to be able to steal that information using any of the technology. This is really important nowadays in our technologically advanced world. You want to make sure you're safe. Your identity's safe, that your cards are safe. No one's going to steal any of your financial information. So this is going to be awesome. It's going to give you a ton of peace of mind. And yeah, that easy.